This is a one-owner 2009 Ford Ranger extended cab with 43,000 miles. Tow package, yes, 43,000 miles. Sorry, it's pretty windy out today. I apologize for the wind noise. Tires are in great shape. 43,000 miles in wonderful condition. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. Truck is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Interior is like new. No rips, stains, or wear marks. 43,000 miles, if we can get it in there. Perfect Carfax report. One owner, no accidents, along with our 125-point inspection that we did on the vehicle. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. So, a 2009 Ford Ranger Extended Cab XLT, one owner, 43,000 miles, in absolutely amazing condition.